In my classrooms and with my students, I will use the bell to get their attention rather than my own voice. And then I'll usually invite them to just empty their hands and close their eyes and breathe with me, and we listen to the bell together. I try to start every class period that way. I do want to just have that space in between whatever was going on before they came into the classroom and preceding whatever it is that we're expected to do academically in the classroom, and to just take a short amount of time in between those two things is to give us all an opportunity to hit the reset button so that whatever we might be carrying with us, we have the opportunity to just have some space before we get into our academic tasks.